Okay, so I was trying to explain the simple rules that I will rest each hour, have a break, eat, drink regularly, and now. So basically, it's not a race. I'm just trying to show what's around, and when you are healthy and strong, it's just pleasure to drive in that kind of conditions. Yeah. So I already complete like a 35% of the United Kingdom with a bike. Each trip are very individual and very different. I keep changing something. Sometimes I go with a heavy load, sometimes sleeping in the hostels, depend on the situation, because sometimes I can't get regular food, and I have that explosiveness, so that I have to eat pretty much like a proper food every 2 hours. Anyway, we'll see. I can explain a bit more in the future, but I'm just really interesting about that. That's why I've decided to share with you guys. I've been training for an ultra marathons, running in extreme conditions, but I just pushing too hard, get an injury, complete ACL rupture, meniscal tear as well. But with that huge motivation to move further, I get back on my feet really quick, just about 3 months. Myself, I'm from Lithuania. Just went on the holidays one day, have nothing to do, jump on my bike without pre-planning, decided to go around the Lithuania with the bicycle. Completed in 12 days, each day around 100 kilometers. I learned in the road pretty much, so basically just packed everything but what I was thinking what I need, obviously way too much. Very comfortable because I have many things with me, but at the same time it was heavy. Yeah, it was really heavy, and then the load, it wasn't consistently even around the bicycle. But of course I've learned from my mistakes. I keep changing tactics and stuff, which makes me easier to drive around. But I like the hardcore drive, so I can't really save a lot of weight, so I have to pretty much take like a medicine stuff on. Catch it? Ah. in terms of the medicine, I believe I'm well prepared. Of course, you know, you can't prevent everything, but I finished sport and exercise therapy, university degree. I've been working in the rugby club, and then yeah, I experienced a lot of onset injuries. So yeah, pretty much I've been exposed to a lot of injuries around me. So I'm confident to go around in the pretty much a rough road like that. Of course I don't want to get injured, but it's just so interesting. It's just adrenaline pumping in my veins when I'm going that sort of on the roads. So yeah, so that's my passion. Enjoy and watch.